Hello students, in this video let's start with our next lesson, The Blind Dog, written by R.K. Narayanan. R.K. Narayanan was a very famous writer known for his collection of short stories, Malgudi Days. This lesson, The Blind Dog, it's one of the short story from that collection. So let us move to the lesson now. It was not a very impressive or high-class dog. It was one of those commonplace dogs one sees everywhere. Color of whitened dust, tail mutilated at a young age by God knows whom. Born in the street and bred on the earnings and garbage of the marketplace, he had spotty eyes and undistinguished carriage and needless pugnacity. So here in this the writer, he is describing about the dog. Okay, so this dog which writer says it's a common dog which we see in the road. Okay, so the common country breed dog, that is a common dog. Okay, so that dog is of the color white and dusty. Okay, like the dusty color, and its tail is mutilated. Mutilated means it's cut. Okay, some dogs will have short tails. No, why? Because someone would have cut. Here also for this dog, it is having a short tail. Okay, it is cut at the young age itself by God knows whom. Okay, that means no one knows who have done that work. Okay, who have cut the tail of the dog, nobody knows, only God only knows. Okay, so this dog was born in the street and bred on the earnings and garbage of the marketplace. So how it lives, it was living with the garbages. Okay, so in the market they will throw some waste, no, so eating those waste only this dog have grown. It had spotty eyes and undistinguished carriage and needless pugnacity. So this dog is having very spotty eyes, attractive eyes, and it will needless pugnacity means some unwanted fight. Okay, it is known for its unwanted fight. Okay, whenever they get a chance, whether it is needed or not needed, these dogs used to fight, no? So like this, the dog was fighting. So let's move. Before he was 2 years old, he had earned the scars of 100 fights on his body. When he needed rest on hot afternoons, he lay curled up under the culvert at the eastern gate of the market. In the evening, he set out on his daily rounds, loafed in the surrounding streets and lanes, engaged himself in skirmishes, picked up edibles on the roadside, and was back at the market gate by nightfall. So here the writer says about the daily activities of the dog. Okay, so the dog was already I told, no, it used to fight unnecessarily. Okay, whenever he gets a chance, so this dog will fight. So now he was 2 years old. Okay, so by that time itself he was having 100 scars of fight on his body. That means by fighting it is getting a wound, that scars will be on its body. Okay, so that's how appearance of the dog. Then he used to have a routine life, like he used to take rest on the hot afternoons. Okay, so when it is very hot, the dog won't roam around, so it will take rest in the market itself, where it is lying down under the culvert. Culvert means the ditch, okay, where the water used to go. So in such place the dog used to take rest during the afternoons, and then in the evenings he used to go out for his daily rounds. Okay, so they used to have some places to take a round, no? So he used to go in the evenings, okay, all the streets and lanes, and engage himself in the skirmishes. That means unplanned fight. Okay, so nothing like he is enemy like that and all he don't have. But still, when he goes out in the evening in the lanes, he used to pick up fights, and one fight will be there. Okay, that is what skirmishes. And after that he used to eat on the roadside, and after that he used to return back to the market gate at night. Okay, when the night starts he will be back to the market gate. This life went on for 3 years, and then occurred a change in his life. A beggar, blind of both eyes, appeared at the marketplace. An old woman held him up there early in the morning, seated him at the gate, and came up again at midday with some food, gathered his coins, and took him home at night. So, by now the dog was 3 years old. Okay, this I said no, that was a routine life of the dog. Okay, now he was 3 years old. That time one change came in his life. What happened means, a beggar who was blind. Okay, so he came to the marketplace. He was helped by an old woman. Okay, that woman used to bring this old man to the market, and she will make him to sit in a place. Okay, then in the afternoon, okay, she used to bring some food as lunch. Then she used to gather the coins. Okay, he was a beggar, no, so he used to beg in the market. So the coins which he gathered in the plate will be collected by the women, and at night again this old lady will take the beggar to her home. Okay, so this is the one day it is happening. The dog was sleeping nearby. He was stirred by the smell of food. He got up, came out of his shelter, and stood before the blind man, wagging his tail and gazing uh, expectantly at the bowl. As he was eating his sparse meal, the blind man swept his arms about and asked, "Who is there?" At which the dog went up and licked his hand. Okay, so one day what happens? The blind man was eating. Okay, he used to eat in the market only, no? So that time he was eating. So nearby the dog was sleeping. So by that smell of the food, the dog got up, and he went and stood near the old man. Okay, so and he was wagging his tail. That means no, how the dog used to wag the tails like that. He wants some food, no? So he was doing all these things, and he was looking into the food of the beggar. Okay, so the beggar himself was having a very little food. Okay, sparse meal means a little food. For that, this dog was also seeing into the plate. The old man, he don't know, no, he was blind. Okay, the blind man, he just showed his arm, and he asked, "Who is there?" Okay, so the dog went near the man and licked his arm. Okay, licked his hand. So let's continue. The blind man stroked its coat gently from tail to ears and said, "What a beauty you are! Come with me." He threw a handful of food, which the dog ate gratefully. It was perhaps an auspicious moment for starting a friendship. They met every day there, and the dog cut off much of his rambling to sit up beside the blind man and watch him receive alms morning to evening. Okay, so after that the dog went and asked for food, no? So the blind man, he understood. The dog came and licked the hand, no? So the old man understood it's a dog, and he started stroking, means patting. How we will pat the dog. So like that he stroked the coat, means the fur of the dog, from top to bottom, from head to tail. From head to tail he was giving a stroke for the dog. Then he said, "What a beauty you are." Okay, and he want to make a friendship with the dog, so he told, "Come with me." Then he gave a handful of food to the dog to eat. Okay, the dog also ate gratefully. Gratefully means thankfully. It was perhaps an auspicious moment. Okay, it was the first good moment to start the friendship. Okay, both the blind man and the dog have started their friendship. So next, the dog, what it did, it cut off all its other activities. Okay, how the dog used to previously go out, go for a search of food. It used to pick up fight, all these regular activities the dog now cut off, and he spent most of the time with the blind man, watching him. Okay, watching him how he is receiving the alms, ALMS, that is alms. So that means the offering which is given by the people to the beggar, that is called alms. Okay, so how he is receiving from the people from morning to evening, the dog used to watch it. Okay, in course of time, observing him, the dog understood that the passers-by must give a coin, and whoever went away without dropping a coin was chased by the dog. He tugged the edge of their cloths and pulled them back to the old man at the gate, and let go only after something was dropped in his bowl. Among those who frequented this place was a village urchin who had the mischief of a devil in him. Okay, so now the dog understood, no, watching the people offering the alms to the beggar. So it got used to it. What is the routine? What has to be done by the people? Okay, so it understood they have to give a coin to the beggar. Okay, so the people who don't give a coin will be chased by the dog. It will go behind them. It will tug the edge of their cloth. That means it will bite the cloth and pull the people towards the old man. Okay, so it will bring the people, those who don't give the coin also will be pulled by the dog, and after they give something to the man only, it will leave them. Okay, so one among the people who used to come to the market was a village urchin. Okay, urchin meaning is mischievous child. Okay, so he used to have the mischief of a devil. Okay, devil means you all know, right? So which is not good. Okay, opposite of angel, like that only devil. So which doesn't have any good character. Okay, so he used to trouble the man. Okay, so with this I'll wind up this video. I'll continue the same lesson in my next video. Thank you, children.